Sharing made simple. Mastering Quick Share on your Android phone. An article created with the help of AI and some very smart phones.
Okay, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to access the Quick Share option on your Android phone. I think it used to be called Nearby Share. So you want to scroll down or swipe down from the top, swipe down again, and swipe to the right, and the top right where it says Quick Share contacts, just tap that, turn it on and turn it off, and that's how to access it. And if you search this channel, you'll find some more information on what that does and how you can use it. So search the smarter phones now, and you should be able to find that video. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye. Actually, keep watching the video, and I put something that I created with my smartphone that will help you set this up. Further instructions. Thanks.
Hey there, Android aficionados. Adelan here, ready to spill the beans on a fantastic feature that makes sharing files a breeze, Quick Share. This nifty tool lets you seamlessly transfer photos, videos, documents, and more between nearby Android devices. No more tangled wires, fumbling with Bluetooth, or waiting ages for email attachments to upload. Quick Share is all about speed, convenience, and a healthy dose of fun. Why Quick Share is your new sharing BFF. Lightning speed. Forget waiting for files to crawl across Bluetooth. Quick Share utilizes Wi-Fi Direct, blasting your content at super speeds, making it perfect for those impatient moments, like when your friend insists on seeing that hilarious cat video right now. Simple and intuitive, no complex setup required. Just a few taps, and you're good to go. It's like having a digital sixth sense for your friends' phones. Cast a wider net. Sharing isn't just for couples anymore. Quick Share lets you send files to multiple devices at once, perfect for group projects or sharing party pics with the whole squad. Security check. Rahat Kyle, meaning peace of mind in Hindi. Quick Share only shows your device to nearby contacts, keeping your precious files out of prying eyes. Sharing 101, a Quick Share tutorial. Find your share button, open any photo, video, or document you want to send. Look for the Share button. It's usually a box with an upward arrow or three dots connected by lines. The magic of Quick Share. In the sharing menu, you'll see the Quick Share icon. It kind of looks like a radar dish. Tap on it, and prepare to be amazed. Device discovery. Your phone will scan for nearby devices with Quick Share enabled. Just like magic, your friend's device will appear on the screen. Beam it up, tap on your friend's device, and a notification will pop up on their phone asking them to accept the transfer. Once they accept, the file will shoot over like a digital rocket. The day Quick Share saved the day. A hilarious anecdote. Let me tell you a story. I was at a friend's birthday party, and we were all having a blast taking goofy photos. But disaster struck. My phone was about to die, and I hadn't transferred the pictures yet. Panic mode was setting in. How could I deprive the world of these hilarious masterpieces? Then, I remembered Quick Share. Luckily, a few of my friends had Android phones. With a few taps and a quick explanation, because, let's be honest, not everyone is a tech whiz, all the photos were beamed to their phones before my phone did a nosedive. Crisis averted. Quick Share is a lifesaver, a party trick, and an overall awesome feature. So next time you need to share something with a friend, ditch the old methods and embrace the magic of Quick Share. And remember, this article was created with the help of some very clever AI and, of course, some super smart Android phones.